Welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we will analyze the NACA 2414 airfoil for its static structural analysis. We will start by double-clicking on static structural. We will double-click on engineering data. The material which is used for airfoil is generally aluminum alloy. So I'll first click on engineering data sources. Then I'll go to general materials. Here I'll select aluminum alloy. If you have any other material, you can add the data. So I have created the bookmark. Then I'll go to project and update project. Next I'll go to geometry, right click and import the geometry. I already have the airfoil with me, so I'll import it directly. I'll double click on geometry because I want to make certain changes to it. Here I'll go to extrude and I'll give the depth as 500. I'll select the direction as normal and generate. I'll close this. Then I'll go to model and double click. Here the line body needs to be suppressed, so I'll right click and suppress body. Also I'll suppress the surface body. Then I'll go to solid and change the material to aluminum alloy. Next I'll go to mesh. I'll give the sizing element size as 0.01 meter and generate. You can further reduce the size. I will leave it to this itself. Then I'll go to static structural and right click, insert, fix support. This end I'll fix. Next I'll right click, insert. Now there are two ways of solving. You can either give pressure on the airfoil or you can use rotational velocity. So in this analysis I'm using rotational velocity on this surface. Apply. Now this is asking for the magnitude. First I'll change defined by components. This is in RPM. You can give in radians per second also. So I will give, that is along the Z axis, 2500 RPM. Next I'll go to solution and right click, insert, deformation total. I want to see the strain. Also I want to see the stress. I want to see the fatigue tool. Here I'll give the mean stress theory as Soderberg theory. I'll right click on fatigue tool and insert life. I'll insert damage, safety factor. Also I want to see the moment reaction. So I'll go to probe and select moment reaction on the fixed support. Then I'll go to solution and solve. So you can see here this is the total deformation. Then you can go to contours and choose smooth contours such that the color divisions disappear. Also you can go to edges and click on no wireframe such that you are not seeing the meshing over here. I'll go to animate and I can see the animation. You can see the maximum deformation is 0.00317 meter. Then we'll go to the elastic strain. The maximum value is 0.00225. You can see the variation of strain on the body. Here it is maximum and in this zone it is minimum. You can see the value of stress. Maximum is 1.59 into 10 raised to 8 Pascal and minimum value is 1524.6. Here it is minimum and at this zone you can see it is little dark red where it is maximum. Now fatigue tool is what we have used, so we can see the life. You can see the maximum life is 1 into 10 raised to 8, which is completely available. Only at this tip over here, you can see that it is showing a little less life. So it is 2.64 into 10 raised to 5. Then we'll click on damage. Again, you can see the damage. The design life is 1 into 10 raised to 9 cycles. You can see here throughout your body is safe. It is only in this zone where you have a lesser value. Factor of safety is varying over this body. The maximum is 15 in this zone. In these zones, you can see it is a little orangish in color, and certain places it is a little red also. So the red value is 0.517. Orangish value is between 1 and 5. And here you can see the highest value is 15. Last, we will see the moment reaction. You can see these values over the body along the x, y, and the z axis, and total value is 958.41. That's how you analyze an aerofoil for static structure analysis. With this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the analysis. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.